Every Winter Olympics is built on one silent assumption. That winter means cold temperatures and reliable snow. But climate science now shows that assumption is failing, even in the heart of the Alps. As the world prepares for the 2026 Winter Games in Milan Cortina, researchers and Olympic officials alike are confronting a new reality. Winter sports are being forced to adapt to a warming planet. Let's start with the numbers. In Cortina d'Ampezzo, average February temperatures have risen by about 6.4 degrees Fahrenheit or 3.6 degrees Celsius since the city last hosted the Winter Olympics in 1956. Back then, February temperatures averaged close to -7 degrees Celsius. Today, they sit near or -2.7 degrees Celsius, pushing mountain air dangerously close to the freezing threshold. That shift has consequences. Climate records show Cortina now experiences around 40 fewer freezing days per year compared to the mid-20th century, dramatically reducing the reliability of natural snow. This pattern isn't unique to Cortina. Across the European Alps, winter temperatures are rising faster than the global average, and snow seasons are shortening, a trend documented consistently in Alpine climate research. So how are the Olympics responding? By replacing nature. In 1956, Cortina used zero artificial snow. Natural snowfall was enough. For the 2026 Winter Games, organizers have confirmed that between 85% and 100% of competition snow in several Alpine venues will be entirely manufactured. To do this, planners expect to produce nearly 3 million cubic yards of artificial snow, pumped across slopes using energy-intensive snowmaking systems. Artificial snow may look similar, but it behaves differently. It's denser, it melts faster under sunlight, and it requires cold nights, large water supplies, and significant energy input just to remain usable. This marks a profound shift. The Winter Olympics are no longer held in winter. They are increasingly engineering one. Scientists have asked a critical question. How many places on Earth will still be cold enough to host winter sports? A major 2024 climate risk analysis examined 93 past and potential Winter Olympic host locations. Under a mid-range warming scenario, only 52 of those locations, about 56%, are projected to remain climate reliable by the 2050s. That means more than 40% of today's world-class winter venues may no longer be suitable within decades. Even more striking, an IOC-funded assessment warns that by around 2040, as few as 10 countries worldwide may retain the climatic conditions needed to host the Winter Games at all. This risk is already forcing hard conversations. The International Olympic Committee is now discussing whether future Winter Games may need to move from February to January. Why? To protect snow reliability, and especially the Paralympic Games, which currently take place in March, when stronger spring sunlight increasingly melts competition-grade snow. When the calendar itself becomes unstable, it's a signal that climate change is no longer a future concern, it's operational. The Winter Olympics are more than a sporting event. They're a global climate indicator. When even high-altitude alpine venues struggle to sustain natural snow, when winter must be manufactured, rescheduled, and rationed, it reveals how deeply warming is reshaping the world we built traditions around. This isn't just about sport, it's about the future of winter itself. Keep looking closer, the planet has more stories to tell.